So now we are going to assemble. Assembly is nothing but to get the leaves attached with the flower. So now the flower is here and I'm just going to tape it down and I'm going to get the leaf attached. So because that's just the wire there, so under the calyx just put the tape. I'm just going to tape it fully first, and I'm doing that because I'm going to find the position in which I need to attach the leaf. So ideally sometimes you don't put the leaf here with a flower, we just kind of raise it. So with the rose you have the leaf going on a little taller than the flower. So I'll check for the position where I'd like, and sometimes it could be like even taller like that. Okay, so that will be my position, and once I have the position of my leaf, I'll hold it together, both the wires, and then just tape it around. Then we could kind of move the leaves a bit. It doesn't have to be like really stiff. And obviously we have the leverage to move the flower also the way we want. Okay, so we just have made the rose together with the leaf and added the calyx as well. You guys will make 3 such together, like make 3 roses. You could try out variations on the outermost layer, and leaves according to how you want to make a whole rose spray together. So there we just come to the end of the rose sugar flower lesson, and I'll catch you up in the next one.